Eric! Hey, Eric!
What's up, Doug?
Hey, Zach! Hey, Keith!
I had to do it to a Mustang.
I think we're overdue for a shop dad update.
A shop dad update?
Yeah.
Let's see. I tell you what, I'm working on so many F100s, I'm spinning. They're here, they're there, they're back there.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere, they're everywhere. So, we're working on the farm truck, trying to get the door panel back on and get it to work. But Mr. Keith has gotten to drive it.
I heard.
That baby has gone down the road, got exhaust on it. It is the sleeper. It idles, probably quiet as your Subaru, till you get into it. And then...
Once it warms up. Yeah, once it warms up.
Once it warms up. Yeah. And just in case, I want to apologize to our new neighbors, because we're going to be making noise.
If I buy a house, I look around the area to see kind of what I'm getting myself into. I looked at one house, and the house across the street had a messed up roof. I was like, bad messed up roof. So I didn't move there. Well, there's a storage container in the driveway of the house right behind us, and I would say they moved in over the weekend. And last Monday, they called on us saying we were hot rodding in the parking lot, and all we did was start up a car and drive it to the building next door to park it. So we didn't even hot rod it. So
they're in for a rude awakening.
They're in for a rude awakening. So we're gonna do donuts tonight at like 5 o'clock.
Sweet.
It'll be fun. Really wake up the neighbors. I don't know. We'll see who moves first.
Who am I to say now? So update on the 66 Chevelle. Paul brought the motor back to us Thursday, so we got that in, got the drive shaft in. Zach's setting the pinion angle roughly, getting all that ready. We'll start plumbing probably today. We're running all hard lines on the fuel, except for the return. Anyways, we'll start plumbing it probably today. About it with it. We're trying to completely build it. He's got to weld bungs in the headers for the O2 sensors. It's going fuel injected this time. But anyways, we're going to try and completely build the whole chassis, brakes and all, prior to putting the body back on. Over here we have Mill's F100 for his son. We converted it from a 3-speed manual to an automatic. Got the drive shaft back today. Fixing to go pick up the spindles from putting new kingpins in it. So it'll leave Wednesday when Mills gets back to town. The blue-gray F100 got quite a bit done last week. Majority of it's wired. Front end's put back on it. Kind of just playing around with it a little bit in our spare time, as far as keep Zach busy when he's not helping me tear something else up. This gray one, we're in the middle of rebuilding the rear end. Then it'll be ready to go back on. Bruce color sanded and buffed the hood Thursday, so it's up front, all polished and beautiful. So it should we'll be ready to take this one back on a test drive too, pretty quick. Farm trucks in the back. Doug's finishing up putting the inside door handles back together. It's a running, driving truck. Needs a front end alignment, but other than that, it's ready to go home. Bruce is still slaving away on the 454 SS, second round of blocking. But we're about ready to do, getting pretty close. Everything's been, he's working on the bed now. It'll be ready for its second round of poly. Everything else has already been polyed second time, except for the cab, so should be seeing color on it within the next few weeks, I expect. Austin's beating away at Mills's other truck. He's got a 60 model Ford F100 that's going on the Roadster shop chassis. And anyways, Austin's in the middle of installing a custom made floor pan and firewall in it. We did lose one fabricator last week, going off to get out of the automotive industry and do something completely different. So wish him all the best. And anybody knows any good fabricators, maybe looking for one. There's plenty around here to do. That's all I got for this week.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Well, Eric, Derek, Garrett, and Carrie, we have all gotten this thing just about wrapped up. So we got the roof all studded in 2x12s. Put sheetrock up. Carrie and Derek textured it, and we spent the weekend painting and checking in on things. And the flooring. We had the flooring done this weekend by Planet of Granite. Did the flooring. Hopefully by the end of the day, our new counters will be here, our coffee bar will be here, all the trim will be done. Boss lady, Mama Bear, went to go get her new desk. So we'll start moving some of that stuff in here. Set the toilet back up. I'm hoping by the end of the day, it looks like an office, is the goal. Then we get back to business. I feel like since I bought this place, I've been cleaning, updating, and painting. If I can just finish this, we'd be done. We can get back to the grind.
I see you brought your other C10 up here today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Everybody was loving your other C10 in the last video.
Oh, I know, right?
Yeah. Garrett has a whole fleet of C10s in case you guys didn't know.
Yeah, I just got.
Somebody told you to take off that square body syndicate hat because you drive a Prius, but.
Tell him to race me then.
Hey Garrett, is this a turbo to your Prius?
Yeah, man, check it out. See what's awesome about it? See, dude, it's a 115. Where's it at? Right there. It's a 115, man. It really, see, just what you do is you just plug it right in. Right here.
It plugs into your car?
On. Yeah, dude. I'm telling you. Race me.
Hey, Gabriel.
What's up?
What's the craziest thing you've seen up here?
Probably the ceiling when I was falling head first into the pit. Man, I took it 2-stage dives.
Two?
I had so much fun the first time I went. I tried it again with the net.
Hey, you might want to get this guy a helmet, KC.
There's a lot of things you'll see in lube centers. Lots of things.
So we got some ambulances that come in for inspections and oil changes, and they got the air horn right next to the brake pedal. There's been a couple times where you can catch some people with it. These doors are usually closed, so it'll bounce back, and man, it sucks.
I couldn't hear for like 5 minutes.
Nicole was putting the ambulance out one time, and she foot on it for at least 10 seconds. She couldn't figure out what was going on.
What?
The ambulance, the train horn.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're like, why is the brake so loud?
The customers were freaking out, looking all around.
I was vacuuming the car and found a crusty pair of underwear in there. So I stopped. I was like,
That ain't no lie.
Yeah, he was there.
I was there. That's not no lie. I'm telling you, when you work at Lube Center, there's no telling what you'll come upon or what you'll see or who you will meet.
What's up, Eric?
It was like a mighty fine cup of Joe there, huh?
Dude, hey.
Well, hey, a little goes in, a little goes out. You know what I mean?
You gotta love this black coffee. You almost done?
You did pile up on this. We save water. So we don't
I might have to upper deck it.
Dang it, Garrett. I don't think I can use that.
Hey Eric! How's it going, guys? My name is Joshua. I came all the way from Washington State, checking out Casey's Paint Shop, being able to meet the guys in person, and of course shop dad there and just see the work these guys do. Eric gave me a tour. It was awesome. So if you guys are ever in the area, it's worth the drive. Come check it out, meet the guys, see the work.
Finally gonna end our burnout dry spell.
Let's do it.